Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, we've got a beautiful egg. This is some rustic country bread. This is a slice of Havarti cheese. This is an English cucumber. This is the star of today's sandwich. A little mayo, salt and pepper. Mike Foster here, how you doing? Today it's another killer fried egg sandwich. I know how much you love them, but I love them. I love a nice fried egg sandwich, and I'm always looking for creative ways to make new ones. This one is a killer fried egg and cucumber sandwich. I'm gonna slightly toast that bread. We're gonna slice up the cucumber. I'm gonna put this baby together. So let's get the skin off this guy. All right, that's done. Now, little slices like this. See that? I'm gonna finish slicing this up. I'll meet you at the stove. Fry that egg up. All right, a little butter starter off. Put that egg down. Here you go. Nice. Let's just add a little pepper. That's all you need. All right, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah. Let me see if I can. Yeah, time for the flipperoo. And here's the cheeseroo. Put that on low. Let's melt that. When that toast is ready, we'll put this sandwich together. All right, this is just lightly toasted. We're gonna start off with the mayo on both sides. Now all these little thinly sliced cukes, look at them. There's so many of them. They're so cute, aren't they? They're cucumbers, cucumbers. To that, 1 crack of salt. Cucumbers love salt. And a little pepper. Beautiful. Let's get that fried egg. There she be. Put that baby right here. All right. Ain't nothing to it but to do it now. The flipperoo. There's the presseroo. Do your sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Look at that. That's the killer fried egg cucumber sandwich. Close up coming up. There it is. There's a close up of the fried egg cucumber sandwich. Can't wait for a big bite. Another killer fried egg sandwich by me, Foster, the fried egg sandwich king. Let's see if this one is worthy. Oh, look at that yolk. The mayo gets me first. Then those cukes are so delicious and refreshing. Let's try a bite with everything, especially this yolk. That yolk is so savory. This sandwich is a mess, but it's delicious. Here's the cucuroo. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel. Subscribe, tell people about it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's what she said. All right. With the cuke. Oh! Did you get it? The old cucuroo. Cucuroo. I'm your sweet babu.